KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone, today I am drawing a wedding groom and bride. First I am coloring its eyes, a bride eyes. I am coloring the groom eyes, shiny eye. Let's color its face, a groom face.
Subscribe us for more
I am coloring a bride hand and its face. Brown color, I am coloring its hair. Golden hair of bride. Let's color it.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture.
First I am coloring a bride frock, pink color. I am coloring its sleeve, dark pink color.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue.
Light pink color. Purple color, light green color,
Lost my partner,
yellow color,
lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo.
I am coloring in rose, dark pink color, light green color.
Found my partner,
I am
love is
coloring a
true.
groom
Found my
dress,
partner, love
dark
is
blue
true.
color.
Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo,
I am
skip to my
coloring
loo.
its coat.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my
Now I
darling.
am coloring its pant. Black color, I am coloring its shoes.
Subscribe us for more videos.